It is the morning. It's a little bit rainy, a little bit cloudy. Not too bad though. Things are gonna brighten up later on today. So for now, we're gonna have some breakfast, and it's simply gonna be breakfast burritos. So nothing too exciting, nothing too difficult. So let's get this going. So we got our Dempster's tortillas here. We have some just egg, 4 of them. We have our onions and peppers. Via Life shredded style cheddar cheese. So this is going to be pretty good. And we also got some salsa. So first things first, we're going to get our oil here and throw it on the frying pan to get the barbecue going and heat up our onions and peppers. Okay, so I'm going to wait till I see that onion sizzling a little bit, and then I'm going to dump the whole thing in. Starting to swim a little bit now. Okay, I think we're good. I'm actually going to try to fry the just egg this time and see how that works out. I usually steam it, but I just don't feel like it. Okay, while we are cooking down these onions and peppers, we're going to marinate our steak medallions. And last time I didn't actually marinate them, so they might have been a little bit dry. So this time we're going to marinate them for a good 8 hours. So check these guys out. So we got our marinade down here. And I will leave you a recipe for that in the descriptions. Valiant's field-grown filet mignon. So Valiant's was a restaurant in Barrie. It is now unfortunately closed. But we did have a video a few weeks ago showcasing that restaurant, so check that out. It's probably the last video you may see from that restaurant. They are still in production of this stuff, so please help out and support them if you can. So filet mignon, we're going to marinate these guys and we'll have them for dinner tonight. Oh, Jesus. All right, that's all taken care of. Let's go check on our peppers and onions. We almost had a soy accident there, so thank God nothing bad happened. Okay guys, we got sidetracked by some blue jays, so we're gonna try some just egg now. Okay, so we just move this to the side. All right, we're gonna break these guys up a little bit before we put them in the wrap. So probably another 5 minutes and we'll be ready to go. And we're gonna do this burrito style. Okay, there you go. The perfect breakfast wrap. Let's see how this tastes. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. Anyway, we're gonna eat breakfast now and we'll get back to you later for some lunch. And hopefully we'll take a hike or something too. So yeah, hopefully things brighten up today, but it's already starting good with a decent breakfast. All right guys, took a little walk down what's called the Cedar Trail. Just a 2.3 kilometer walk, and it kind of brought me to this point here, a little lookout along the canal. So lots of stuff to do here at this park. We're just kind of killing time till lunch, and we got a special surprise for lunch, so stay tuned for that. I'm not going to reveal the secret yet. You'll find out if you stay tuned. So I don't know if I'm going to make my way down to the beach. It seems quite a bit further, but we'll get back there later on. Hopefully there'll be a good sunset tonight. The sun is trying to come through, so we'll see what happens. In the meantime, let's see what happens. Anyways, we got a real nice visitor center here too, so if you're ever in the park, come check this out. Here we got our firefighting center. Come on, owl, hoot. Hoo. It's not doing it now. Okay guys, that is the visitor center. Nothing overly exciting. Not as exciting as the meal I'm about to make. So let's get back and check this out. Our big surprise is snowy day potato soup on quite a cloudy and rainy day. So it is what it is, and that's what it's going to be. So I think we're going to pressure cook this for 5 minutes. And what's the natural release time?
Forever long it takes.
Anyways, forever how long it takes, natural release. Probably like 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, we're going to have some snowy day potato soup. Okay guys, we're about to crack open this Instant Pot, so let's see what's going on. So the pressure is almost naturally released, so probably wait a couple minutes. We'll pop that lid, put our garnishes on, and away we go. Okay, we're gonna stir up the dill, and now we are gonna add some sauerkraut. Okay, now we're gonna put in our nooch, or nutritional yeast. Dicing some avocado. Super hot, but very nice. Those caraway seeds really do it justice. So yeah, easy meal, easy to make, and anybody can do it. Just check it out. Super good and super easy.